Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 19th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku and this one, the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 9301. 9301. Before I start, I always count the print the digits. This one is 16. That's a lot for a binary. But what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And then double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, 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 double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And I know, oh wait, between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And we have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here, oh, here. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then let me see. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes in 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again, without comparing. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.